Ago medowe zeno no vi todo la kple nukpɔla va eƒe nyawo TV eye nye ame si nukɔ sem nelea nukɔ nye eƒo kɔdzo. Egba míele nuku ɖe eʋe lododo aɖewo nu eye madze agbagba be matrɔ asi le wo nu le English gbe me be mía nɔvi siwo mese eʋe gbe o la woate ŋu ase míaƒe eʋe lododoawo gɔme eye madze egɔme ale nu kae nye lododo. Magbɔgblɔ lododo nye nufiame mɔlu nyui aɖe si wozãna tsɔ fia nu, xlɔ̃a nu alo ƒoa nu tso agbe ŋuti na ame. I say proverb deepens the way a man think or a man's way of thinking, and it makes the primitive to be knowledgeable, and it increases the knowledge of the knowledgeable. Proverb makes the wise to become wiser. Let's look at the first proverb of the day. Lododo gbãtɔ si nu míale nuku ɖo egba eye nye amekpela meɖoa kpo o. Amekpela meɖoa kpo o. And literally, this means the person who helps to carry a load does not develop a harm, or the person who helps to carry a load does not bend. What is the meaning of this proverb, or what is the lesson in this proverb? This proverb is teaching us to understand that a helper does not completely take over another man's burden. In the end, every individual will have to bear his or her own burden. And proverb number 2, lododo evelia si nu míale nuku ɖoa eye nye adoglo meɖoa atadi akpɔkplɔ dzi afifia o. Literally, the lizard does not eat pepper for the frog to sweat. What is the lesson, or what is this proverb teaching us? This is teaching us on how a person must be responsible for his or her actions. You know, many a times we do things that at the end we put blame on other people. But this proverb is teaching us that we must be responsible for any action that we took. And proverb number 3, which is the final one for today, says, if you get your bundle ready, you will get help to carry it, or you get help to place it on your head. And in Eʋe, we say, ne tsueɖo klota, wa tsueɖo tanao. Ne tsueɖo klota la, wa tsueɖo tanao. Alo, ame si ne bla agba la, eya kpɔa agbadro la, alo agba le la. And what is this proverb teaching us? It teaches us to value the value of initiative and responsibility. This proverb teaches us, or is teaching us, the value of initiative and responsibility. How to initiate and be responsible for your actions. You know, in this life, when you want something, you have to start doing something to get what you want. So you cannot just say, I want this, so someone should come and give me what I want. You have to start doing something for you to get what you want. Thank you. I will not say that the meaning that I read or I gave to this proverb are the ultimate. So you can share your view with me. How do you understand this proverb? Or how can we best explain this proverb? What is your best understanding of this proverb? Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and do me a favor by sharing this video to reach many people. Thank you. See you next time in next episode.